is this colorful place? This is WordNest Junior Kids channel. We learn with fun.
Hey, Peacock. Today's word sounds quite serious.
Yes! Today's topic is the argument of contingency.
Contingency means something that may or may not happen, right?
Exactly! Dependent things are called contingent.
Like a school holiday? It might happen or get canceled.
Exactly!
So, what does the argument actually say?
If everything is dependent, there must be a necessary cause.
Something that always exists?
Yes, this idea is called the argument of contingency.
Bye-bye, kids. See you in the next video.
Take care, children. See you soon with a new word.